Hi everybody, this is Mrs Sandford from Stifford Clays Primary School. Today we're going to be talking about how you can ensure you eat healthily. Now there are lots of different kinds of foods and these can be put into different kinds of food categories. Let's discover what these categories are. This is an example of a healthy plate of food. Now there are loads of different types of food on this plate, but they're put into different kinds of categories. This will show you how much you should eat of each one of these a day. If you eat too much of the wrong kinds of food, your diet becomes unbalanced. This can lead to weight gain and other health issues. The first part of our plate are foods called carbohydrates. Now these are really important because they give you lots of energy, but you must eat the healthy versions of these foods. Try and eat brown bread rather than white. And how about trying wholemeal pasta rather than white pasta? It's much higher in fibre and it's much healthier for you. The next part of the plate is probably the biggest part, and this is your fruit and vegetables. You should be trying to eat at least 5 different portions of fruit and vegetables each day. Now, a portion, for those of you that find that a little bit tricky to understand, 1 portion is the equivalent of a medium-sized apple or a medium-sized banana, but you need to be trying to eat 5 different versions of fruit and vegetables each day. The next section is a category called proteins. Now this section includes beans, pulses, fish, meat, and other kinds of proteins, like eggs. You can eat as many beans or pulses as you want in a week. But when it comes to meat and fish, you need to be careful. You should be trying to eat 2 portions of fish each week. And one of these portions of fish should really try and be oily. An oily fish is like mackerel. Red meat. Now, red meat is really high in iron, but it's also quite high in fat. You shouldn't really be eating that very often. However, chicken or turkey meat is really low in fat. It's what we call lean, and this can be eaten quite frequently, which means quite a lot. The next section is dairy. Now, I imagine most of you will probably have a yogurt or a glass of milk each day, or even some cheese. And it's really good for you because it helps you with your vitamins and minerals. It's really good for teeth. Some of these foods can be quite high in fat and sugar though. So try and have the lower fat versions and the low sugar yogurts. The next section is oil and spreads. Now this can include butter that you put maybe on your toast or in a sandwich, or even vegetable oil which you cook your food in. Now these are really important because they do help you absorb vitamins into your body, but they also can be really high in fats. So you really shouldn't eat too much of these. They are unhealthy. One of the most important things you can eat or drink each day is water. You should be aiming to drink between 6 and 8 glasses of water each day. Now, water. What kind of drinks does that include? Well, it does include juices. It does include tea and coffee. However, if you do like juice or squash in your drinks, try and have the low sugar ones, because as much as you need the water, the sugar in juice is also bad for your teeth. If you follow these simple rules and eat the right amount of food each day, you will have a healthy diet. Today, you're going to be looking at doing some work using a pyramid. You'll be sorting food into the correct categories. Knowing your knowledge you've learnt from this video, it should be quite simple to do. Stay safe, everybody, and I hope to see you very soon.